Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated trailering equipment, heavy-duty, and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.